Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Holy Stone HS790 camera drone. I've looked through reviews, customer feedback, and comparisons across the internet, and by the end of this video, I'll tell you whether I think the Holy Stone HS790 is worth buying or if you should look at another drone instead. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The Holy Stone HS790 is designed for beginners and intermediate drone pilots who want premium features without paying flagship prices. Right away, the standout feature is its camera system. It captures high-resolution 6K photos and stabilized 4K video at 30 frames per second using a true 3-axis mechanical brushless gimbal. That's a major advantage because a mechanical gimbal keeps footage smooth even when the drone encounters wind or sudden movement. Whether you're recording vacations, hiking trips, family gatherings, or creating content for YouTube and social media, the footage looks far more professional than drones that rely only on electronic stabilization. Another impressive feature is the transmission range. Holy Stone claims up to 9 kilometers, or roughly 30,000 feet, with low-latency HD video transmission. While most recreational pilots won't fly anywhere near that distance because of legal visual line-of-sight rules, the strong signal provides a more reliable connection and smoother live video feed during normal flights. That means fewer interruptions and a better overall flying experience. Battery life is another area where the HS790 performs well. The package includes 2 intelligent batteries, providing up to 60 minutes of total flight time under ideal conditions. That's enough for multiple flights before needing to recharge. The included fast charging hub is also a nice bonus since it doubles as a portable power bank, making it convenient when you're traveling or spending an entire day outdoors. One reason Holy Stone continues to attract new drone pilots is its beginner-friendly design. The HS790 includes 1-key takeoff, 1-key landing, altitude hold, headless mode, adjustable speed settings, and GPS-assisted return to home. These features make learning to fly much less intimidating while reducing the chances of losing the drone. As your confidence grows, you can switch to more advanced controls and take advantage of intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and AI quick shots to capture cinematic footage with very little effort. A feature that helps the HS790 stand out is its night mode. Combined with AI-assisted image processing, it improves visibility and image quality during low-light conditions. While it won't replace a professional drone with a much larger camera sensor, it performs surprisingly well for evening landscapes and sunset flights compared to many drones in its price range. The brushless motors also deserve some recognition. They run quieter, last longer, and provide better wind resistance than traditional brushed motors. This results in smoother flights, improved stability, and greater confidence when flying outdoors. The foldable design makes transportation simple, and the included carrying case keeps everything organized whether you're traveling, hiking, or simply storing the drone at home. The HS790 also includes built-in remote ID compliance, allowing pilots in the United States to meet FAA requirements without purchasing an additional external module. It's a small detail, but one that adds convenience and helps future-proof the drone for legal recreational flying. Of course, no drone is perfect. Although the camera performs very well for its class, it still can't match the image quality, obstacle sensing, or advanced tracking systems found on premium drones from DJI or Audl. The advertised flight times and transmission distances are also measured under ideal conditions, so real-world performance will usually be somewhat lower, depending on weather and flying style. After looking through the internet and comparing reviews from both beginners and experienced pilots, my recommendation is clear. If you're looking for a feature-packed drone that delivers stabilized 4K video, long flight time, GPS safety features, beginner-friendly controls, and excellent overall value, the Holy Stone HS790 is definitely worth buying. It offers many features normally found on much more expensive drones and is an excellent choice for first-time buyers or anyone upgrading from an entry-level model. However, if you're a professional filmmaker who demands the absolute best camera quality, investing in a higher-end drone may still be the better option.